Hello and welcome to this Commerzbank webcast. I still can't believe how well the markets have reacted to Trump's election. Even market-based inflation expectations, long thought to be dead, have risen sharply. Also, Trump isn't in office yet. Fears of deflation finally seem to have vanished. There's a new word doing the rounds: Trumpflation. At our monthly forecast meeting, we had an intensive discussion of whether the markets are right. But we've only raised our US inflation forecast marginally for two reasons. First, we don't know what the net impact of Trump's plans on the economy will be. He wants to slash corporate tax and income tax, but this wouldn't get through Congress without some concessions. Second, we don't know how high possible penalty customs duties might be. Trump is a protectionist and set out a number of goals in his election campaign. He could impose these duties on China, for example, which would make imports a bit more expensive. Until Trump presents concrete details, however, we can only speculate on the scale of the duties. So we have only raised our US core inflation forecast for 2017 minimally from 2.1% to 2.3%. We are sticking to our long-term view that inflation will rise only moderately, not strongly. And the fact that it's rising at all is due less to Trump than to the prospect of full employment. After the almost inevitable rate hike in December, we expect two more hikes next year. At our forecast meeting, we decided not to predict 3 steps, as after all these years of low inflation, the Fed is likely to tolerate a rate just over 2%. Thanks for listening. You'll find more details in our Week in Focus.